today's tutorial, we will cover how to submit an assignment on Teams. First of all, open the Teams app. In order to complete an assignment, you need to go to the Assignments tab and select the class which the assignment has been assigned to. In this case, we will use the Proving Ground as a test. We then select Next. We open up our Assigned tab and we will click on Create a Budget. In this task, title is Create a Budget, due date is tomorrow at midnight, and the instructions are complete the Excel budget template and hand it in. It is for a total 100 possible points. Here's our hand in button. Here is the work. So now this is an individual template which we can edit, and this is where we can attach work. Let's open the template. Once the template is open, we can see a brief summary of to edit it. We need to go across and tap on the edit button. This then redirects the document into the compatible application. The document has now opened in Excel and I am able to edit it. In order to select the cell, you select the button there. We tap on side of it. That shows you the monthly income. We can see straight away that that is a sum, which means we will need to edit in the income amount. So there's the income amount and we would need to edit those income sources. So let's edit that. Now that you've gone through and edited the document that you need to edit, in order to submit it back into Teams, all you do is you tap on the Back to Teams. And then you tap on the Close. That has then edited the document and attached it into your submission. When you have edited the document and you're ready to submit it, you can click Hand In. In the event that you need to attach your own work, which is not part of a template, you would need to tap Add Work. Once you've tapped Add Work, you have the option to select files from your OneDrive, able to link new files, you're able to share a link, and you can browse files from Teams, or you can upload from this device. When you tap Upload from this device, you have the option to take a photo or video, browse your library, or browse your storage locations. If you tap on Browse Your Locations, you would then need to tap Browse again, which then shows you the various locations available to you. If, for example, your OneDrive is not here, you would then need to allow it by tapping on the hidden menu and editing the available storage locations. So for example, if I no longer want a Google Drive or explain everything to be available, I just toggle those switches off, tap Done, and they are no longer available in my locations. But if I needed to add them back, I would go back to the hidden menu, tap Edit, and then enable my Google Drive. I'll then say Done. Or I can tap on my OneDrive and browse storage location. And I will attach 25 time-saving Microsoft Teams tips. Finished uploading and it says uploaded, you would then tap Done. As you can see, I have attached my own piece of work as well as edited the template which has been assigned to me. If I'm ready, I'll tap Hand In. And now it's time to go and grab an ice cream.